And next one, very important thing, that is the part B, 2 mark question. Examples of mixed economy. What are the main important examples of mixed economy? Means India, France, England, Brazil. Next one, concepts of macroeconomics. There are so many important concepts of macroeconomics. First important thing, first one stock, and second one flow, and third one economic model. Each and every question carry, that is 2 marks. That is stock. What does mean by stock? They will ask. What does mean by flow? And what does mean by economic model? Each and every question is a separate question. Examples of mixed economy. What are the things? India, France, England, Brazil. Over that question. Concepts of macroeconomics. First concept, stock. Stock means what is the thing? Point of time. Stock means what? Point of time. Flow. Flow means it is nothing but period of time. This is the 2 questions. First one, stock. Stock means it is nothing but it refers to a quantity of a commodity measured at a point of time. What is the examples of stock? Money supply, unemployment problem, poverty, etc. So stock means what? Point of time. Next very concept, flow. Flow means what is the thing? Period of time. Flow means it is nothing but it refers to the variables measured over a period of time. Example, consumption, production, investment, savings, etc. So stock means what? Point of time. Money supply, unemployment are the best examples for stock. Flow means consumption, production, investment are the best example. What does mean by flow means that is the economic variables. It will be studied over a period of time. Next one, separate question. This is the very repeated question. What does meant by economic model? What is meant by economic model? A model is a simplified representation of the real situation. Before we just construct a house, we just prepare a blueprint. That is the thing we are preparing, blueprint. Blueprint means what? And this economic model, what is the best example means? That is, before the construction of house, how we are preparing a blueprint. Where each and everything it will be located. Bedroom or dining hall or kitchen. Each and everything they just prepare. After the construction of house, it will be same like that of the thing. Same. Is it clear? That is the thing. Economic model means a model is a simplified representation of a real situation. The commonly used economic models are, first one, demand and supply model, and next one, circular flow model, and third one, Smith model. What is the thing? Economic model. Economists use models to describe, that is economic model is the concept which was used by the economists to describe economic activities, their relationship and their behavior. Most economic models are built with mathematics, graphs and equation in order to explain the relationship between economic variables. So what does mean by in simple term? For 2 mark question, in simple term, what does mean by economic model? Simplified representation of real situation. Simplified representation of real situation. A model is a simplified representation of real situation. What are the economic models? We are so repeated. Demand and supply model, circular flow model and Smith model.